Welcome guys, welcome again. This is our second video on Eurjpy. We are seeing last 2-3 signals. So let's go back to again. Here is okay. You are already seen this signal also, second one also, third one also. So we can start from next buy signal. So on older video, we see the buy signal on bottom side, but only first target can achieve. So we have to put on 19th of date. So we observing yesterday signal also. Okay, let's see what happening next. Okay, just zoom out and view to insert some toolbar chart lines. Okay guys, here candlestick. Let's see next few signals. I mean to say from 12th of April to right now, yesterday 18th. So yesterday signal also definitely we get one or two signal more in between of there. So let's see. Okay, we are nearby to here. We are nearby to see the next buy signal. In last video we also seen this one also. So let's see what happened. Okay, buy signal and immediately it can be triggered. So my video is right now smaller, faster than the last video. Okay, first target achieved, and we can see the same things in last video. So this one is going to be here. Okay, let's see what happened next. Okay, second target also achieved, and then trailing stop loss moving upside. Okay, you're nearby your second target. Trailing stop loss nearby your second target. Okay, it can be jump to upside. Okay, great. It jumped. Okay, expected new high. Okay, great. Almost same side. We got another sell signal, and our position will be reversed to the total. Okay, first target also achieving this signal also. So it's 18th of April, morning 9:45 or something 10. It's my broker time, it's not my time. I'm from India, so it's our broker time. Okay, here's some trailing stop loss hit. Sorry guys, immediately hit. You can see here only few things left here. Okay, again it can be buy. So my EA coding, whatever the load amount is pending, so it can be double here. So right now it's a 0.6 lot is continuation here. Okay guys, my video was stopped. Okay, let's see what happened. Here trailing stop loss cut. So when the trailing stop loss cut, the expert advisor taken immediate some double value buy, and it takes some smaller profit, then wait for that. Okay guys, here is a actually I was using control point, so that's a very good method shown previously. Molding quality up to 90% on tick by tick, but this one is having a different one. So profit factor is here 20 out of one trade, also this one also. So see here 2% drawdown is there. Total net profit is 1400 something, 1422, 21 trade is there. So here is a history. 510 is a last trade, so avoid this. This one is our signal trades. So only for see what happened here to here. So nearby here to here 637, and here to here 570, 637, 570, 1400 pip, and here is 500 again, 1900, here 500 again, so 19 and 5, 2400. Then here start from here, 24, then 500, 600, so nearby 3000 papers moving is there, but our style is profit booking and all these things, so that's why our profit is some smaller than that. If we are doing it with one lot with the reversal also, so we are getting here 650, then 400,000, and here 500,000, 500, here 1500, right? Then here 1500, 2000, and here 550. So near about 3000 approximate points, and right now market is going to be here to here 300 also, so near about 3300. Okay, but our profit is here, our graph is here, drawdown, absolute drawdowns, and profitable trade 142 minus 320:1. Profit factor is here in this last 4-5 days. Mismatch error right now is can be shown because we are using a control point to strategy test. Okay guys, here is a strategy. Actually we are doing the strategy with the signals, and we can see here our last signal on last video. So we are starting from here to here, a huge movement. After that today, yesterday 18th of April, we got a sell signal, then it's also going very well. And see here what happened right now. Also it's a running market, all the signals are same. See here also, here to here, second candle. You can see if you are looking at that, it came on second candle on video also and live also. First candle, here second candle, here on first candle on reversal, here also same. Okay guys, here buy signal we have started to. Okay guys, so these are the almost 5 signals we are looking for. 6 signals, okay, from till 12 to right now. And also we got some sell signal here also. In last video I was shown you, so we got here 570, 80 points is there. So this is a strategy, it's a live trading strategy, 100% non-repented. And here is a, you can see here is a scanner also. You can able to scan all the market watch. Here's my market watch. All symbol can be scanned in a once time, and less than 30-second delay time, so it can be scanned 30 seconds up to 100 scripts or 50 easily. You can choose the 50, 60 or whatever you want. So it can be gives you an alert when the entry comes. You can click on a chart, so you find the entry value. Actually it's a 1 minute time frame for the binary option traders and all. See here is a alerts will came. Check here, here some new Eurocad. We are showing some new we are click on Eurocad, this one. So if we can GBP NZ, so here GBP NZ, some buy here. Okay, so last signal is a buy. So next one is a GBP or Australian dollar. Okay, GBP Australian dollar, some buy signal. Okay, so you can close or open from the chart also with the scanner. So it's a new updated version. So I request to my older clients also, please update your previous version. Scanner was updated right now, only last 2 days before we are updated all these things. So please go through the new scanners and all. Okay, here is some signals. Is a 1 minute scanner. I was putting on 1 minute for showing you in video and all. So please go through my Skype channels, my videos, my Facebook, my Skype ID is sorry and small letter or capital is no problem at all. Dot Saroha 2, and the WhatsApp number is +91 WhatsApp. Okay guys, actually I have a lots of queries. Actually my holy grail price is too much high. Right now we are selling our products is 999 the USD for the lifetime with the scanner, EA and all. So please comment or please connect with us. Only see your status. Thank you for watching my video. This is Naveen Sroha. Hope you guys enjoy my video, and you can see my all things are non-repented, never repent. Marketers definitely gives you a profit, and most probably our signal up to 95% it can be performed on top and bottom, never gives in between of signal, no filter, no any complex trade, nothing is there, only simple buy sell signals. You can book some profit with our target based, or you can go through the reversal signal, whatever you want, whatever you want to choose, anything else. So thank you guys. Hope I'm all my comments and all my new updates are useful for my older client and new clients also. Thank you for watching.